Hi everyone, and welcome to Sports Angle. By the smile on everybody's faces, you can see why the smiles are there. We are in the finals with New Zealand. भारत का मुकाबला होने वाला है न्यूजीलैंड को 9th ऑफ मार्च 2:30 PM 1 PM यूएई टाइम। और हाँ, हमारे पास यहाँ पर फिर से सब लोग हैं जो जिन्होंने सेमीफाइनल का प्रीव्यू किया था। हमारे पास यहाँ पर वापस अथर्व, माइकल और आर्यन हैं। यस, सो गाइज, पहली बात तो पल्स चेक, ऑस्ट्रेलिया बाहर हो चुकी है। ट्रैविस हेड निकल चुका है। इंडिया की जितने भी प्रॉब्लम्स है वो खत्म हो चुकी है। और हमारे दोस्त माइकल ऑलरेडी फिनलैंड पहुंच गए हैं, नॉर्दर्न लाइट्स के बाजू में। ब्रो, यू नो वीरंग इज देयर, नो? शाउट आउट टू वीरंग,
Yeah,
ब्रो। शाउट आउट टू वीरंग, हैव गुड हनीमून माय ब्रो। बट देयर, प्लीज गिव देम प्राइवेसी, ओके? रिलैक्स, एंड यू आल्सो हैव अ फ्लाइट टू कैच टुमारो।
yeah, I do.
Yes. So I think in some spectacular fashion, the king did king things, or he did what he's best at, chasing and breaking the total amazingly well. बहुत ही अच्छा खेला वो। I think 200 2060 260 काफी अच्छा स्कोर था कंटेन करने के लिए। वरुण चक्रवर्ती ने अपना काम किया। विराट कोहली, श्रेयस अय्यर एज यूजुअल द अनसंग हीरो, अच्छा काम किया। अभी आप बात करते हैं, पहले हम टूर्नामेंट के बारे में बात करेंगे कैसा हुआ है, और फिर उसके बाद फाइनल के बारे में बात करेंगे। टूर्नामेंट मैंने जैसे बोला था लास्ट लास्ट टाइम की तरह इतना अच्छा टूर्नामेंट नहीं रहा है। ओडीआई क्रिकेट के लिए अच्छी बात नहीं है ये। अगर आप 4.5 3.5 के रन रेट से खेले, जहाँ पे लोगों को लिटरली नींद आए। सो एंड ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर सम ऑब्वियस कल्प्रिट्स हियर। वो है इंग्लैंड सबसे बड़ी। बहुत ज़्यादा डिसअपॉइंटिंग given the names they have, the kind of reputation they carry in white ball, especially after their resurrection in white ball cricket. Very underwhelming. So yeah, guys, what do you all think?
For the semi-finals, especially, I was very disappointed. कि साउथ अफ्रीका को हम लोग वी ऑल थॉट कि चांस है जैसा उनके परफॉर्मेंसेस थे इन द ग्रुप स्टेजेस स्पेशली इवन दो दे डिडंट गेट टू प्ले ऑस्ट्रेलिया व्हिच इज व्हाट टू मैच अप मोस्ट ऑफ अस वर वेटिंग फॉर लाइक वो हो नहीं पाया बट स्टिल उनका बैटिंग और बॉलिंग बैलेंस स्क्वाड था समथिंग दैट रिमाइंडेड मी पर्सनली ऑफ द 2023 टीम दैट वी हैड
Yeah.
बट
Yeah,
in the
honestly, I mean,
semi-final game at no point in that entire game that they looked like they could win.
exactly. South Africa looked like a team that was happy to be in the semi-final and not a team that wanted to go to the final,
यस,
which is
यस, करेक्ट।
which is very
ये
unexpected.
मैंने वसीम अकरम को भी सुनते हुए बोला।
Uh,
वो शो में उन्होंने भी वही बोला कि ये
uh,
ऐसी टीम थी, बहुत हैप्पी थी, बट आप ऐसे नहीं कर सकते व्हेन यू आर साउथ अफ्रीका।
uh,
इन द लास्ट, वो जो भी है 6-7 महीने में, वो WTC का फाइनल में पहुंच गए हैं, वर्ल्ड T20 के फाइनल में पहुंच गए हैं, अभी इधर के सेमीफाइनल्स में पहुंचे हैं। उनके वुमेन्स भी T20 वर्ल्ड कप इन दुबई जब हुआ था उसके भी फाइनल्स में पहुंचे हैं। So overall, this is not a country which is now just needs to be happy and needs to be like, oh yeah, we party करेंगे अगर हम सेमीफाइनल पहुंच गए। अभी मुझे लगता है it's overdue that they win an ICC trophy. So I think yeah, it's
exactly.
also disrespectful the way they played in the semifinals, and काफी मतलब ऐसा लगा कि एकदम they gave up. They literally gave up yesterday. They threw in the towel like so early. 360 is not a big total.
रन रेट,
They have
हाँ उन
batting
लोगों ने
line.
रन रेट बहुत पहले ही छोड़ दिया यार, मतलब
Yep.
you can't leave so many runs for the last 10-20 overs. You
Correct.
want to be at a
Yes.
point where you
Correct.
are at 70-80 runs in the last 10 overs,
Correct.
maybe a 130-140 in the last 20. They were, I think if I'm not wrong, at 160 after
Yeah.
30 overs.
Correct. Correct.
Yep.
Correct. Correct.
It was only in the 40 to 50 over stretch that they were able to match, if not go above the required run rate that was required of the start.
Yeah,
And
Hmm.
it was obvious that they would do it. There was no pressure to perform at that point. Like, people were giving
yeah,
David Miller props for the
yeah,
century, but the thing is, he only picked up his own strike rate when there was no pressure on him, when the match was pretty much lost.
exactly.
So, like, yeah, sure, he got the century, but it came at like, yeah, there was no pressure, so you can't really compare it to people like Kohli and anyone else at the start of
Yeah.
the tournament where they had
True,
centuries,
true.
at least in some pressure.
यप, यप। और कोहली का वो जो 84 था, मतलब अगर हम उसकी जितनी भी बात करें वो कम है। हाँ, इट वाज नॉट अ नॉर्मल 84। ही रैन 58 सिंगल्स
Exactly.
and around like 8 doubles. That's
Yeah,
the kind of control. And Atharva and I were watching the game together. Every time Atharva hit a shot, because his stream was faster than mine. So I thought maybe it was a boundary or a four. बट एंड देन आई यूज्ड टू, मतलब मैं उसका मजाक उड़ाता था, ब्रो तू मतलब वो सिंगल ले रहा है तो बोल रहा है व्हाट अ शॉट, बट वो ही थी कोहली की खासियत कि वो सिंगल के भी बॉल्स मिडिल करके ही वॉज अंडरनीथ एवरी बॉल, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं लग रहा था कि एक भी बॉल, एंड दैट टू व्हेन ही गॉट आउट इट वाज ऑन हिज ओन एरर, ऐसा नहीं कि they
Yeah, yeah.
beat him or anything like that. Nowhere did I ever see Kohli being beat, Kohli not reading the ball, Kohli having a mishap. It was like almost I felt like he was in the zone. You know, like how that innings of Sachin Tendulkar was there when he played against Pakistan in Centurion in 2003. I'm not
Uh,
at that level, but you know, in those kind of things where you just feel like the batsman is one within the game. Like उसको सिर्फ
yeah,
बॉल दिख
yeah.
रही है एंड बॉल एकदम फुटबॉल के साइज की तरह दिख रही है, जो सचिन ने बहुत
Perfectly.
जो सचिन
Perfectly calculated chase, run rate को पकड़
exactly.
के चले, no risks,
या
control किया game.
या या
Very good man.
माइकल मेरे को लगता है अभी भी नॉर्दर्न लाइट्स के इसमें ही है, कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहा है।
Good to say about South Africa. I mean, I think the reason South Africa lost, unfortunately, is because of Bavuma. He really
हाँ
started slow.
हाँ,
That just set the pace completely wrong.
110%,
Yeah.
And then you
छोटा
leave.
डॉन.
तो भाई
You,
रिकल्टन पे भी प्रेशर आ गया, रिकल्टन भी बोला कि बॉस मैं क्या करूं, एंड रिकल्टन खेल अच्छा रहा था, ये वैंडर
हाँ.
भी खेल अच्छे रहे थे, और मुझे एंड ऑनेस्टली बिट डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल आल्सो द वे क्लासन प्लेयर आ गया अपनी बातों में विकेट फेंक दी, मतलब इतना बड़ा हिटर है गेम का, इतना बड़ा, बट समटाइम्स यू नो आई फील लाइक मे बी दैट इज द होल सूर्या फैक्टर आल्सो, दैट्स व्हाट वी थॉट विद सूर्य कुमार यादव, मे बी वी थॉट दैट यू नो
Yeah.
हिटिंग इज सो प्रोमिनेंट इन T20 it will replicate in ODI, but it does, I don't think so it gets replicated that easily. Like it's vice versa also. Like someone like you know, someone like Shreyas Iyer will not be able to emulate that kind of hitting in T20.
Correct.
Like उधर वो
Correct.
नंबर 4 का बैट्समैन आइडियल नहीं है in any
नहीं
kind
है.
of
हाँ.
setup. Of course वो तो हम बाद में बात करेंगे उसको क्यों लिया है, क्या है, कैसे है, वो है, but सो हाँ, बट मुझे ये नहीं लगता है कि ऐसा कुछ नेसेसरी है कि जो T20 में चलता है वो उधर चलेगा ही, ये बॉलर्स के लिए भी है और इसके लिए भी है, बैट्समैन के लिए भी है। आई थिंक इट ओनली
Definitely.
रिमेन्स फॉर सर्टेन ऑलराउंडर्स जैसे कि भी हार्दिक पांड्या। नाउ इनफ टॉकिंग अबाउट द टूर्नामेंट एंड इनफ टॉकिंग अबाउट हाउ इट वाज। फाइनल की बात करते हैं। फाइनल इज लिटरली 3 days अवे, क्योंकि आज हम थर्सडे नाइट को रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं, जब आप ये वीडियो देखेंगे तब ये फ्राइडे आफ्टरनून तक आएगा, तो आप एंजॉय करें जब आप अपना खाना खाएं या फिर फ्राइडे इवनिंग को एंजॉय करें ये अच्छा वीडियो देखकर। Final, I think, very good matchup. India versus New Zealand. These two sides have been literally dominating the scene of cricket for the past 20-24 months in the white ball scenario.
Yeah.
ODI setups में देख लिए आप, T20 setups में देख लिए, you know, New Zealand and India always has, you know, stuff has gone down to the wire. Even when they defeated us at home, that was very, very you know, disappointing to watch. But I
Yeah.
don't know. How do you see the matchups? How do you see everything? Given that we just had a match with them like not so long ago, what do you guys think?
I think the game's going to be a lot different than the game we played.
Hmm.
Uh, I think New Zealand knows what bowling that they want to go with.
Hmm.
I think they're going to use the spinners a lot more. You're going to see Sandner use his 10 over quota, similar to how they've played against South Africa. I
Hmm.
think Bracewell's going to play a lot more. And then
Yeah.
Glenn Phillips even actually managed to get 2 wickets the last game. So you
Correct.
might see us in Bracewell and Phillips and who gets the 10 over quota.
Correct.
I mean, the depth is very intense. That's what scares me. And their batting's also really, really in form.
Hmm.
The one reason they lost the last game against us was because Kane Williamson was playing very slowly, but you
Hmm.
saw him adapt to how he played against South Africa, where he's
Yeah.
batting one
Correct.
over a round ball.
Yeah. Yeah.
So a tough game, but I think India should be able to handle it.
Yeah.
For reasons that remain personal, मैं हमेशा दुबई का वेदर चेक करते रहता हूँ। सो मैंने ये देखा कि संडे को ओवरकास्ट कंडीशंस है,
Hmm.
तो
I mean,
कास्ट
Bolt was
कंडीशन,
playing. If
हाँ,
Bolt
बट
was
वैसे
playing,
ओवरकास्ट कंडीशंस नहीं होगी, मुझे लगता है क्लाउडी होगा, ओवरकास्ट नहीं होगा, क्लाउडी होगा वो
हाँ.
तो इट विल probably, you know, get trap in the heat and it'll only make it more drier, so that means the wicket will be very difficult to bat on, ball घूमेगी, grip करेगी, of course I feel that also will be there, but we also felt that during the first test against them in Bangalore in 2024 in October, and the ball swung, and it swung very well. Matt Henry in that match also, and this O'Rourke also, I think, got good amount of wickets. They literally bundled out India for like barely 123 runs or something. Having said that, that's completely a different format, whatever it is.
Yeah,
Do you
one thing
see
I
any
completely
kind of
agree with
huh?
Michael was that one thing I completely agree with Michael was that it's going to be a very different game. I think we
Hmm.
spoke about this at work as well, that New Zealand has a side that's going to study their mistakes,
Yeah,
analyze what they did in the first match,
yeah.
and then come back a much stronger side, I feel.
What do you think will be different?
I mean,
Think, yeah,
uh,
their batting will definitely be better than what it was
But the
yeah,
when
thing is,
we
ऐसा
first
कुछ
played
नहीं
them.
था कि वो इंटेंशनली खराब खेल रहे थे. रूड अक्षर
yeah,
कुलदीप ने बॉल्स अच्छी डाली, चोक कर दिया उनको.
yeah,
Yes,
नहीं खेलते
yeah.
और
but they will
तीसरे
be
दिन
more
हारने गए. वो
ready for
वरुण चक्रवर्ती
spin.
उसके अगेंस्ट विकेट चले गए आपके.
Yeah,
They'll
but this
probably
time
be
they'll be
way
more
more
ready
ready
for
for
spin,
spin,
I
yeah,
feel. Yeah.
yeah,
I think they will be more ready, and I think they will be more like this because now they'll have more time to train also in
yeah. In Dubai, yeah,
and maybe they will probably try to
Yeah.
emulate that. And I think I don't know. I don't think so. They'll play an extra spinner. They will definitely have more spin in their innings. I feel वो definitely एक स्पिनर को तो और ओवर्स देंगे. मे बी ग्लेन फिलिप्स या और ओवर्स डालेगा या फिर ब्रेसवेल और ओवर्स डालेगा या फिर रचिन और ओवर्स डालेगा.
Sachin
Russian,
Ravindra.
yeah.
I was just gonna say that, yeah.
Rachin भी डाल
You know,
सकता है और overs because Rachin
Yep.
might be someone who can trouble like the likes of Kohli, Shreyas Iyer and stuff like
Yeah,
that.
I mean,
Yeah,
they're 11, 8 of them can bowl.
huh, yeah,
That's already a lot of options.
exactly. I mean, the captain themselves and that too, like Atharva is a big fan of Mitchell Santner. He thinks he really turns the ball a lot.
That's, I mean, I'm not even joking. Yesterday they had this stat up on
The
while
deviation.
we were watching the match that the deviation in measured in degrees that all spin bowlers have given this tournament on
Hmm.
average was the highest for Mitchell Santner.
Hmm.
And you could see yesterday with the wickets that he got a bold, I don't remember of which
Bavuma.
batsman, but that was,
Bavuma.
oh yeah,
Hmm.
no,
yeah,
Babuma was a catch. He got
Vander
caught on
Dusen.
like,
Vander Dusen का
yeah,
उसने
I think it
डंडा
was
उड़ा.
Vander Dusen.
Hmm.
Yes.
Vander
So
Dusen का
that
उसने
was a
डंडा.
pretty good spin that he had. So we should be on the lookout for someone like him. I know he didn't really play that well against us the other day, but one thing that we should remember is that they still kept us down to a pretty low total.
yeah.
Yeah,
And
Uh,
also, they didn't really have time to train or anything in Dubai, right?
yeah.
yeah.
This was
Yeah.
the
They
first
did, yeah.
match, entire tournament they played in Pakistan, first match coming into Dubai,
Hmm.
playing a side at like India who's already played 2 games there, trained there. So
Yeah.
now I think it's
Plus, I
good.
think like
Yeah.
that match was not as much pressure as how much this is, of course.
Exactly.
That was like regardless of whether you win or you lose, you play a semi-final against a team in form. It's a very neck and neck. Like it was not
Yeah.
that much of pressure. Yeah,
Fully agree.
Yeah.
Fully agree. और अभी देखते हैं. I think it's going to be again like the tale of the same thing. Finals भले ही कुछ भी हो, conditions कैसी भी हो, बारिश पड़े, आंधी आए, तूफान आए. Finals at the end of the day is determined as to how you execute your plan, how well you don't allow the pressure to get to you, how well you don't allow the emotion of the pressure to get to you. जब तक आपके पास वो
जितनी दम
facets
मिलती है.
covered है, तब तक I think it is this. See, this Indian, I'll talk about both these sides. Both these sides know the pain of a loss.
Yeah.
Both sides know what it is to be there, so close, but yet so far. Both these sides literally are the ones which have seen probably the worst of the lows and the highest of the highs. Whatever. But the thing is, I feel like the side which will come out on top again is the one which cracks spin very well. Still, I believe India's X factor is the ace up Rohit Sharma's sleeve is Varun Chakravarti.
Varun
Popped
Chakravarti.
up at the right time for India. Of course, with New Zealand, you have Williamson coming back in form, Rachin Ravindran doing what he does, which he's been doing since the 2023 World Cup, which has been amazing to see. Mitchell Santner could also be the X factor for New Zealand, and of course, I feel their X factor, the main X factor, is their fielding, is Glenn Phillips.
Yeah.
Glenn Phillips जितने run रोकेगा and out of thin air जो chances create करेगा will actually help them because the guys Kohli's hit similar drives against Pakistan and those similar were catches against New Zealand. That's how good Glenn.
Exactly.
So
Exactly.
I mean,
कैसे भी
Glenn
करके अगर
Phillips,
आप कैसे भी अगर करके आप ग्लेन फिलिप्स को भी डॉच कर लेते हो तो केन विलियमसन खड़ा रहता है. फील्डिंग यूनिट काफी तगड़ी है. आई थिंक दिस इज अ गुड फाइनल. अच्छा फाइनल होगा ये. And yeah, I just feel whichever team can hold on to the pressure much better will go to the top. Will be a massive captaincy battle. Varun Chakravarti again another player to watch out for, and I feel given the clutchness and जो हमारा शेर मैंने और अथर्वा ने ये किया है, झूठ से काफी बेहतर है सच. झूठ से काफी बेहतर है सच. पूरी दुनिया में नहीं है हार्दिक पांड्या से कोई प्लेयर क्लच. So Hardik Pandya is one of the
क्या
players to
बात
watch
है.
out for. Commit the hour, commit the man, commit the occasion. Has seen so much
Definitely.
struggle in his life, and again, like the dark period which he went through last year with the whole captaincy saga at Mumbai Indians. The guy's seen what it means to win a match. So let's see. I am hoping for a cracker final. Yeah. So
Do
yeah.
you guys think Kuldeep might be replaced for Harshit?
नहीं, इंडियन टीम
No.
कभी भी नहीं करती है कि लास्ट मिनट चेंजेस कर दे. कभी नहीं करेगी.
Yeah,
कभी नहीं करेंगे. उल्टा ऐसा भी हो
yeah,
सकता है. कुलदीप कुड बी द एक्स फैक्टर का. अभी तक बेचारे ने सिर्फ गाली
Yeah.
दी है सैंडविच होके. और उसका एक स्टैट है, इन ऑल आईसीसी नॉकआउट्स ही इज नॉट हैड, he's had a decent economy but has been wicketless. That is the
oh,
semi against New Zealand, finals against Australia, semi-finals against England in the World 2020-24, the final against South Africa, and the fifth game which was against Australia. So 5 games wicketless.
Yeah.
That is very, very, it's a worrying sign. So you may never know. This could be the match he'd be saving it for. So yeah, let's see.
Definitely. और आई थिंक एक चीज जो हर इंडियन के दिमाग में चल रही होगी कि could this be Rohit and Virat's last ICC final? What do you guys think?
No,
No.
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 No for both of them, or
ये
No for both of them.
दोनों भी नहीं. I think 2027 तक दोनों हैं.
He wants to play the 27 World Cup.
Yeah.
I think Kohli,
Can
the
play the
minute
2027 World Cup.
yeah,
and his retirement sort of indicates that he was very surprised that he's retiring so early
Yeah.
because he didn't. So
Yeah.
that's fine.
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah.
शायद से,
Personally, even I think Kohli will
yeah.
can go
yeah.
on,
I
but
think at least one of them might, man. I think one of them might, especially if we win.
yeah, especially if he win, I think Rohit might just
Yeah,
like hang his bat
Hmm.
in white ball cricket at least.
But 2 साल पहले before a World Cup, it's very unlikely.
I mean, the reason he'll carry on is because the only thing that he has not won is the
Yeah.
World Cup.
And that too when he came so close to it in 23. He literally
Exactly.
he cracked it. It was all just it was one bad day. That's it. And I don't think so. And he's someone who can do it again. That's what I think it is. Yeah, but that's it, guys. Finals, please enjoy, watch responsibly. Everybody, not everybody on the screen. I know they'll watch it responsibly. But yeah, watch responsibly. Hopefully, Michael, you and I can celebrate a win. Fingers crossed. You will be in town, so definitely, yeah. Like, share, and subscribe, and do let us know in the comments what do you expect of the final. And yeah, tab tak, bye bye. We'll come back with a IPL preview video and lots more to speak at.
RCB.
Arey yaar.
I don't know anyways.
वो battery